Quick and easy kids' healthy lunchbox ideas for school. Unlock the secrets to happy lunchtime. Do you ever find yourself stumped when it comes to packing healthy lunches for your kids? If so, you're not alone. The daily quest to create nutritious and appealing meals that your little ones will actually eat can feel like an overwhelming challenge. But here's a secret: packing a healthy lunch doesn't have to be a chore. With a little creativity and planning, you can transform lunchtime into an exciting culinary adventure for your children. Imagine opening a lunchbox filled with vibrant colors, tantalizing flavors, and fun shapes that spark your child's curiosity. Picture your kids' eyes lighting up at the sight of a delicious homemade wrap or a cleverly arranged fruit kebab. The key to a successful lunchbox lies in variety, balance, and a dash of creativity. By using wholesome ingredients and presenting them in fun ways, you can ensure that lunchtime becomes a highlight of their school day. In this guide, we'll reveal a treasure trove of quick and easy lunchbox ideas that are not only healthy, but also designed to entice even the pickiest eaters. From protein-packed options to colorful veggies and fruity delights, these lunches will keep your kids fueled and excited for their afternoon activities. So, let's dive into the world of nutritious and appetizing lunchboxes that will have your kids asking for more. Quick and easy kids' healthy lunchbox ideas. DIY mini pita pockets. Fill whole grain pita pockets with turkey or chicken, lettuce, shredded carrots, and a light dressing. Cut them into bite-sized pieces for easy handling. Rainbow veggie wraps. Spread cream cheese or hummus on a whole grain tortilla and layer it with colorful veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach. Roll it up and slice into pinwheels. Fruit and cheese kebabs. Alternate cubes of cheese with pieces of fresh fruit like grapes, strawberries, or melon on skewers. Add a few whole grain crackers on the side for crunch. Nut butter and banana sandwiches. Spread almond or peanut butter on whole grain bread and add sliced bananas. Cut into fun shapes using cookie cutters for an extra surprise. Homemade Lunchables. Pack whole grain crackers, sliced deli meats, cheese cubes, and a small serving of veggies or fruit. Let your child create their own delicious combinations. Quinoa salad cups. Mix cooked quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve in a small container for a protein-packed lunch. Veggie sushi rolls. Roll sushi rice and thinly sliced veggies like cucumber, carrots, and avocado in nori sheets. Slice into bite-sized pieces and serve with soy sauce for dipping. Yogurt parfaits. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and berries in a container. Pack it with a spoon for a nutritious, portable treat. Bento box delight. Create a bento-style lunch with compartments filled with sliced fruits, vegetables, whole grain sushi rolls, and edamame for a fun and diverse meal. Sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. Fill whole grain tortillas with mashed sweet potatoes and black beans. Sprinkle with cheese and grill until golden. Cut into wedges for easy eating. With these quick and easy lunchbox ideas, you'll unlock the secret to making lunchtime not only healthy, but also fun for your kids. Say goodbye to mealtime battles and hello to happy, nourished little ones ready to tackle their day. Happy packing!